Dreaming of a backyard pool? What about a swim spa? They're often cheaper to run, easier to install, maintain, and unlike most pools, you can use them all year round. Watch this video to learn the top 7 reasons why a swim spa is better than a pool. Before you take the plunge on a pool, have you thought about a swim spa? You get the fun and fitness of a pool, but without the hassle and cost of heating, cleaning, and maintaining large amounts of water. Keep watching to find out what a swim spa is and why they're better than a pool, and if it's the right choice for you. We all know what a swimming pool is, but what about a swim spa? There's so much to love about this versatile spa and pool combo, as you'll learn in this video. Let's go through the top 7 reasons why a swim spa is better than a pool. You get a spa and a pool in one. Can't decide between a pool or a spa? Not to worry, a swim spa can do both. In fact, almost all quality swim spas incorporate 2 to 4 hydrotherapy spa seats, so you can work out or relax depending on how you feel. Number 2, swim spas are portable. As we all know, swimming pools are permanent structures, so if you move house, you leave your investment behind. If you want a pool at your next home, you'll have to start the pool build all over again. A swim spa, on the other hand, is portable and self-contained, so you can take your investment with you from one location to another. A great option if you're planning to move, rent, or intending to downsize in the future. Number 3, they take up less space than a pool. Property sizes are getting smaller, but that doesn't mean you can't have a pool. Swim spas can fit onto a small block much easier than a swimming pool does. And because they are installed by a crane, they can be perfectly positioned into place in surprisingly small spaces. Number 4, you can use them all year round. One of the drawbacks of a pool is most of them aren't heated and are only usable for a few months a year. Not so with a swim spa. Swim spas are designed to be heated and enjoyed year round. That makes them much better value for money. Number 5, much lower running cost than a swimming pool. There's no competition here. Heating a swim spa with 8,000 to 10,000 litres of water is going to be cheaper than a pool with 30,000 litres of water. In fact, a typical swim spa might add $100 to $200 a month to your power bill, while a pool can cost well over $1,000 a month to heat. Running costs do vary depending on factors like the quality of the swim spa, the size, your location and climate, and how you use it and more. Number 6, fairly easy and quick to install compared to an in-ground pool. Swim spas in general are much easier to install than a swimming pool. They are almost always installed using a crane and placed on a concrete pad or a pre-prepared pit. In fact, a swim spa can be installed and ready to go in under 24 hours. The most time-consuming part is waiting for the water to heat up. Number 7, great for swim training and aqua fitness. We've already talked about their powerful jets. These are great for swimming against and also for vertical aqua fitness, teaching kids to swim, fun and games, and more. You can even get high-tech swim fitness systems that connect to your smart devices for tracking and measuring your progress. Okay, so those are the things we love about swim spas, but of course, nothing's perfect. There are a couple of things that aren't so great about them, like they've got less room to splash around than a spacious swimming pool. At a max of 1.5 meters deep, they're not ideal for diving or jumping into. While swim spas can look great, they don't have the wow factor of a beautiful in-ground pool. So that's the top 7 reasons a swim spa is better than a pool, in our opinion. What do you think? Is a swim spa for you? If you're still undecided, the best thing to do is try one out for yourself. Come to your nearest Spa World showroom for a test swim in one of our quality swim spas and find out what all the fuss is about. Thanks for watching. Website info and articles are in the descriptions below, so check them out.